The K2 Black Panther is a next-generation South Korean main battle tank designed by the Agency for Defense Development and manufactured by Hyundai Rotem. Developed as a modern replacement for most of the remaining M48 Patton tanks currently fielded by the South Korean military, the K2 Black Panther combines an auto-loaded 120mm main gun, advanced composite armor, along with hard and soft-kill active protection systems. Mass production commenced in 2013, and the first K2s were deployed with the armed forces in June 2014. The K2 costs over US $8.5 million per unit, making it one of the most expensive main battle tanks in service of any nation. In 1995, the South Korean Agency for Defense Development was given the task of developing a modern armored fighting vehicle based upon state-of-the-art domestic technologies. The objective of this development program was to further modernize the South Korean Army, despite the superior capability of existing K1 and K1A1 designs versus North Korean tanks, most of which are aging T-55s and Type 59s. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.